Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Amazon Platinum Mastercard account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in Amazon Platinum Mastercard login. Here, click on the link that says Amazon Platinum Mastercard. After you come across this official page, click on the profile icon on the top section of your screen. Here you'll have to enter your phone number or email address associated with your account. If you do not remember your details, then click on Need Help link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Create Account option. After entering your email or phone number, tap on Continue button, and in the next page you'll have to enter your password. After that, follow through the prompts and fill in the information that is required in order to log in. And that is how you can log into Amazon Platinum Mastercard account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.